Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the retainers used in case of fixed partial dentures. So retainer is the part of fixed partial denture which unites the abutment to the remaining of the restoration, or it is the crown that is connected to the abutment. Now retainer can be a full veneer crown or a partial veneer crown. So a full veneer crown is the crown that covers all the surfaces of a prepared tooth. So like here you can see that this crown covers all the surfaces of the prepared tooth, and they are usually indicated for extensively damaged teeth, and they are more retentive as compared to a partial veneer crown. Now the partial veneer crown is a conservative restoration that requires less destruction of the tooth structure than a full veneer crown. Like in this case, you can see that this crown covers all the surfaces of the tooth except the labial or the buccal surface of the prepared tooth. So this is a type of partial veneer crown. Now the advantages of this type of preparation is that it results into the conservation of tooth structure. Then the margin is accessible to the dentist for finishing and to the patient for cleaning. It is less irritating to the periodontium. The complete seating of the crown is more easily verified, and if an electric test, pulp test needs to be conducted on the tooth, a portion of the enamel is unveneered and accessible. Now the major limitation of a partial veneer crown is that it is not as retentive as a full veneer crown. So here we have a 3/4 crown. The 3/4 crown is a partial veneer crown in which the buccal surface is left unveneered. This is the most commonly used design. The occlusal finish line terminates near the bucco-occlusal angle. It can be used in cases of maxillary posterior teeth where aesthetic demands are moderate. The reverse 3/4 crown is used on mandibular molars to preserve lingual surface. It is useful on abutments with severe lingual inclination. Next type of design is a mesial half crown. The mesial half crown is a 3/4 crown that is rotated 90 degrees with the distal surface left intact. So here you can see that the distal surface of this tooth is left unprepared. It can be used on a tilted mandibular molar abutment, and this design can be used only in patients with excellent oral hygiene and low caries incidence. So next type of partial veneer crown is a 7/8 crown. So the 7/8 crown is a 3/4 crown where vertical distobuccal margin is positioned slightly mesial to the middle of the buccal surface. So here you can see that the mesiobuccal surface is left unprepared. The resistance is better than the 3/4 crown, and it can be used on posterior tooth where the distal cusp must be covered. It is most commonly used in cases of maxillary molars, but it can also be used on mandibular premolars and molars. So friends, if you like this video, then please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And in the end, thank you for watching.